I've got this question for Nigeria, specifically for Nigerians. Please, guys, let's come and talk. Let's talk. You guys, you are into our problems. You want to tell us how we should treat our white South Africans. You want to tell us about our problem in government, as if you guys have a perfect government. You telling us about you gave us $5 billion, $5 billion to fight apartheid. $5 billion to fight apartheid. Yet your country's like that, but you've got a $5 billion to give away a country who's 8 countries apart. 8 countries apart, not even neighboring state, to give away $5 billion. This is the question I have. Mandela was arrested on 5th August 1962. You guys got your independence 1st October 1960. So my question is, when did you give Mandela this money? Was it before the prison or after the prison? I didn't do my research. I want you to tell me. Was it before the prison or after the prison? So if it was before the prison, when I tell me you just have 2 years into government, but you've got an access to fund a country who's way south with an amount of $5 billion in the space of 2 years in the government, that's what you want to tell me? Now, if that's the case, if that's true, that is why your country is like that. That is why your infrastructure is like that. That is why you don't have roads. That is why your public schools are like that. That is why your public hospitals and clinic are like that. If you can just give away a $5 billion to a country who's 8 countries apart. So, okay, if you gave Mandela after apartheid, after prison, that would mean between 1990 to 1994. Come on, man. That time we already defeated apartheid. That one we already defeated apartheid. It was not like you help us to fight apartheid. No, that one was already official. 1994 was just an official. After Mandela was out of prison, everybody knew. Even your president, they were just playing chess. They are placing themselves. In Xhosa we say uthenga imithi ongenethole bazontolikela abanye abantu. I will interpret for you, your friends. What does it mean uthenga imithi ongenethole? Because even the person that gave Mandela $5 billion, if it was after prison, that person knew that South Africa already won the apartheid. We know countries that help us during struggle, that accommodated our people who were in exile. We know the Zambia, the Angola, the Swaziland, the Lesotho. We know those countries. We appreciate them long time ago. We compose songs. We sang about those countries. We know. Not Nigeria. As they call TikTok. Even if there was money that was given to Mandela, you gave Mandela money. That money was never meant for you to come and hijack our buildings. That money was never meant for you to come and feed our kids drugs. That money was never meant for you to come and turn our daughters and sisters to prostitutes. That money was never meant for you to come and destabilize our country. That was never meant so. So this thing of you claiming that you gave Mandela that money, that's nonsense. And for that matter, we want the proof of payment now. How did you send the money? How was it? We want the proof. We want to see. How much was it? Because we doubt $5 billion. We doubt it was $5 billion. And we want to know when it was sent, how it was sent. We want to see a proof of payment. No nonsense.
Siyakubingelela mbukeli. Nangu ubhuti ekhuluma ngodaba olukhulu la ebiza eshashalaze nama-Nigeria ukuthi akaphumele obala ukuthi wona asisi South Africa ayinika u-5 billion ukuze alwe apartheid. Atshene South Africa ukuthi funa baphathe kanjani abelungu. But wona anezwe lihlukene izigaba ngezigaba. Ayithathaphi imali eningi kangaka. Bukela ubuke nawe le video le bese ungitshela ukuthi uthini wakho umbono. Sibe sihlangane evideo elandelayo. Bye bye.